No, like this, the people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they met me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual. Today is not about our issue. They are coming and discussing about this, their livelihood which are a part of the village Lapangap which has been normal for the last so many years have been cultivated particularly in the Karbi side. That this is not about our issues, it's their state level subject. So today they came and request us, so it seems some of the Karbi will disturb them. So we are assured that we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb. We are yielding up all together because it's along the border. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint the new chairman of the regional committee from their side. So we will take a call, we will meet the other counterpart in the other time. Obviously, you see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC we discussed first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So and even since the government of Assam has formed a new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue even with another chief minister of Assam.